getting money, money.
That's right, y'all. That's how we running shit in 9-3, mo. Get paid. I'm getting money, money. Fuck them niggas that want to box or whatever. We can handle it.
Calling all cars and phony rap stars that think they got me. I'm on some Superman shit now, they shouldn't have shot me. Cause I'm convinced that my squad is real and God has blessed me with the power to be hard to kill. I got a mind that's full of murderous thoughts. When unleashed, I make them niggas bow. Feel me now or be deceased. I ain't choosing sides. Hell nah, fuck everybody. It's West Side when I ride, watch for dead bodies. Lyrics are colorful, words are anesthetics. Problems are getting worked out faster than calisthenics. I'm bulletproof, blazed up on top of my man's roof. Hands on the fully AK, so what you plan to do? Move motherfuckers till they feel me. It's West Coast, nigga, fuck New York. Now that everybody hear me, you shot at my homies, now I'm a blast. Screaming thug life, motherfucker, when I pass.
Tell mama don't cry, cause even if they kill me, they can never take the life of a real G. I'm getting money, boy, I got a pistol, motherfucker, better money. I put the nigga in his casket. I'm getting money, raise up, and don't let them see you cry, see you cry, see you young nigga, I'm getting money, I'm getting money,
How many broke down rappers got some shit to say? I sit and strategize in due time, the bitches pay. Plus all day I puff weeds and my eyes see red. Undercover tactics, leave my enemies dead. Check this, I know you niggas got no love for me, but how the fuck your whole clique turn to thugs on me? Like misdemeanors, it's a small thing. You niggas ain't ready for war, let my balls hang. Bust it, I took apart your whole crew like heart. I ain't concerned, I bust on bad boy, mob deep and murder the firm. When you scream fake thugs, who the fuck you mean? Get more cream than all of y'all, nigga, fuck your team. Now Dre wanna switch sides, just hiding war. Last year I shed tears, but I don't cry no more. Plus Jay-Z tried to play me, won't last long. Go ask King Son how it feel to have
tell
your ass
mama don't cry, cause even if they kill me, they can never take the life of a real G. I'm getting money, boy, I got a pistol, motherfucker, better money. I put the nigga in his casket. I'm getting money, raise up, and don't let them see you cry, see you cry, see you young nigga, I'm getting money, I'm getting money, yeah.
You can't break me, never make me bust a softer beats. This outlaw style got a brother off the streets. Mr. Laura Tucker, sue me, I won't stop till we get justice for these crooked cops on my block. Time Warner full of sissies, tell them all to miss me. A bunch of hypocrites whistling Dixie. Good riddance, cause you never should've touched me. You cowards knew you couldn't take the pressure, I'ma make you sorry. Trust me, can cry when they drop me. Can they stop me? Tryna sell for a million copies. If I wasn't spitting, it'd be prison to death. This rap game, all we got left. So try to comprehend where we coming from. Life is an outlaw, ain't meant for everyone. So here we come, recognize how we organize, strategize, now we unify, brothers on the rise.
Tell mama don't cry, cause even if they kill me, they can never take the life of a real G. I'm getting money, boy, I got a pistol, motherfucker, better money. I put the nigga in his casket. I'm getting money, raise up, and don't let them see you cry, see you cry, see you young nigga, I'm getting money, I'm getting money, yeah. I'm getting money, get paid, I'm getting money. And even if they kill me, they can never take the life of a young G. I'm getting money,